Hi, this is Tobias from the Yarra team, and in this video we want to give you a quick introduction to Yarra and explain how it can help you to bring your MRI research into clinical practice. Yarra is a toolbox that facilitates rapid clinical translation of new MRI reconstruction techniques. It includes different components that can either be used together as a framework, or you can use individual components separately. The functionality ranges from automatic collection and management of raw data, over an offline reconstruction pipeline, to mechanisms for sharing of algorithms. And there are also quite powerful functions for clinical workflow monitoring. What is Yarra NOT? Yarra is not a library or framework for programming algorithms, so it's not something like Gadgetron, BOT, or GPI. It's really a collection of utilities that help you with the clinical evaluation of your algorithms. So you can think of it as a batch processor for integrating reconstruction prototypes clinically. It takes care of things like data transport, task management, and task monitoring, and in this regard, it complements existing reconstruction frameworks like BOT or Gadgetron. Now, unfortunately, at the moment, it only supports Siemens MRI machines, but we hope that we can support other vendors in the future as well. And if you would like to help with adapting it to other vendors, please reach out to us. One of the main applications of Yarra is to automatically collect raw data. And this can be done using Yarra's raw data storage service, which is a background service that you can install on the host computer of your MRI scanners. And every night, it automatically transfers the raw data from your desired scan protocols either on a network share or on a USB drive. And it's possible to sort the data into different projects folders. So this allows you to create a library of raw data that you certainly need for testing your algorithms. If you have collected a lot of raw data, it can be difficult to manage the amount of raw data and to find individual scans. And to help you with this task, we developed Yarra Archive Search. Yarra Archive Search creates a database of all your stored raw data, and using a web interface, it is then possible to search for cases by medical record number, by sequence type, patient name, age, or project. And it will then show you where these raw data files are located on your network drive. Now, the most central component of Yarra is the offline reconstruction pipeline, which allows you to automate offline reconstructions on external Linux servers. To do this, the reconstruction tasks are sent from the MRI scanners to external servers using the Yarra client software, which is very easy to use. And the servers then automatically reconstruct the data by executing your algorithms. And in the end, the results are either sent to a PACS, to a DICOM workstation, or stored on a network share. So this pipeline makes it very easy to integrate your reconstruction algorithms into the clinical workflow. And Yarra is very flexible regarding how you program and implement your algorithms. Basically, anything that runs on Linux can be integrated, which means that you can program your algorithms in any language like C++, MATLAB, or Python, or you can even write something just using bash scripts. And all of that can be integrated into Yarra. And there's a very simple command line interface to do that. So it should really only take a few hours to integrate your algorithm into Yarra, and then it's available from all your MRI scanners. And it's also possible to add pre- and post-processing modules, so you can also integrate basic image analysis functions. If you submit a reconstruction task from the MRI scanners, this is done using the so-called ORT client with this orange color here. So here you select a patient scan that has been done on the scanner. If you want to submit reconstruction tasks from a workstation, this can be done using the SAC client or standalone client with this green color. And here you have to select a Twix file that you have previously collected. The clients automatically assign the reconstruction algorithm based on tags that you write into the protocol name. So in this example here, there is an underscore YP8 in the protocol name, and therefore the client knows that a grasp prostate reconstruction should be performed. But you can also select the reconstruction mode manually in the client. To control the server, Yarra provides a convenient web-based user interface that works in any browser. And this user interface allows you to configure your algorithms, manage the task queue, look at the log files, and restart failed jobs. So this makes it possible to achieve a sufficiently high reliability to actually use these reconstruction prototypes routinely. The web interface also includes a packaging system for installing and updating modules, and it's very simple. You just have to create a zip file of your algorithm and put a manifest file inside, and then it can be installed using the web interface with only one mouse click. So this makes it very easy to share your algorithm and to distribute your algorithm in the MRI community. Now, when you submit tasks to a Yarra server, the server will queue these tasks and process them sequentially. Now, if you submit many tasks at the same time and your reconstruction algorithm is expensive, there might be a backlog eventually. And if that's a problem, it is possible to install multiple servers. And the Yarra client will then automatically distribute the tasks to all available servers. And you can then also declare specific features for these servers. For instance, if a server has a GPU, and if your algorithm requires a GPU, then the Yarra client will automatically route these tasks to a server that has this feature. And just as a quick outlook, we recently also developed a cloud-driven service for Yarra, which seamlessly integrates into the Yarra clients. And with YarraCloud, the reconstructions are then performed on cloud instances using a pay-per-use model. So in this case, you don't have to install and maintain your own Linux servers anymore. And this means it also automatically scales with your institutional demand. So this was our short introduction to Yarra. If you are interested to learn more about Yarra, please go to our website at YarraFramework.com. The source code has been released under the GPL license, and it's hosted at bitbucket.org. And if you're interested in helping us with the development of Yarra, please reach out to us and contribute. Thank you for watching.